For centuries, human jobs evolved around physical labor, intelligence, and decision-making. But what happens when artificial intelligence replaces humans in nearly every role? Not just factory workers, not just office employees, but analysts, doctors, programmers, even CEOs. Most people assume this means the end of work. In reality, it marks the beginning of a completely new category of jobs that could only exist after AI takes over. In an AI-dominated world, the first new role to emerge is the AI behavior auditor. When machines make billions of decisions per second, someone must monitor patterns, biases, and long-term consequences that even AI systems cannot self-evaluate ethically. These auditors won't tell AI how to work. They'll decide when AI should stop. Another job is the synthetic reality designer. As AI-generated simulations become indistinguishable from reality, humans will be hired to design emotional experiences, moral dilemmas, and identity challenges inside virtual worlds. These roles won't require coding skills, but deep understanding of human psychology. Then comes the human authenticity curator. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, human-made work becomes rare, valuable, and symbolic. These curators verify, protect, and certify what is genuinely human, from art to decisions, much like organic labels today. One of the most unsettling jobs will be the AI alignment mediator. When different AI systems disagree, financial AI versus healthcare AI, military AI versus civilian AI, humans will act as negotiators between machine objectives. Not because humans are smarter, but because they are unpredictable. Perhaps the most unexpected job is emotional companion architect. As loneliness becomes one of the biggest side effects of automation, humans will design emotional frameworks that AI companions follow, deciding how machines express empathy, silence, or moral boundaries. Ironically, none of these jobs exist to compete with AI. They exist because AI has already won. The future of work isn't about learning to code or work harder. It's about understanding what machines will never fully become: human.